Alright, come on battery, be good to me just for a little while. So anyways, CanGames starts tomorrow. I was about to pick what shirt I was going to wear. I can't find two of them. I'm like, Anyways, here we go. So I've got about 11 shirts. I guess number 12, I'll just try to figure out something in the end. But I've got 11, otherwise I got 11 shirts. So every year they do a theme. And essentially the artist was always having that little CanGames gnome or dwarf. Sorry, I'll try to make sure, see where you guys can see. Here we go. Bring her on over. So that was 2009. Wolves at the Gate, taking a lot of damage, and I'm cluing in that I'm not going to wear them all the time anymore. I used to wear them one a day, like a week before or whatever, before CanGames. But I think now I'm just going to do it this way, and it may let them live a hell of a lot longer. So that'll be number 1. And then 2010 was Escape. So I'll maybe go in here. Yeah, if you love dwarves, you're going to love the CanGames, dude, that's for sure. Except for this one, isn't that interesting? 2012, well, he's not there at all. Flames across the border for the War of 1812. 200 years ago, so for them at the time, so there we go, or for me at the time I should say. And it's not as if like, whoa, how did he get in there? No, Meandering Mike's there because like I said, oh, come on. Props to him, man. I wanted to put Meandering Mike in there for sure. And so he's going to be one of the t-shirts. And then we've got, so he's representing 2013 because I can't find my 2013 shirt. And I was like, 13's good for him too anyways. So now we finally got the dwarf back. CanGames Crossroads. Hold on, there we can get it there. Maybe I should just zoom out a little. Oops. There we go. That should be better. Give me a little bit more room to screw around with. So that's CanGames 2014 Crossroads. And 2015 Elements. I guess I decided to start going into black. And then 2016, then and now, yeah, you're going to see a lot of cat hair. These things are, well, I've got 2 cats, one sheds like, holy jeepers jumping. 2016, then and now. And then COVID comes up, of course, 2017. That's going to cause a wrinkle in all of this. Taking Flight. It's a nice one. I like that one. You can see that good. And then 2018, Pursuing the Future. Little robot with the dwarf. No, he's not there. 2018, Pursuing the Future. And then I can't find 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, or 2023. And as far as I know, I've got it. I'm missing 2023. I don't know where the hell it is because I know that they come back, and it's a double-sided one. So I'll have to go and look for that, and then I will probably have 12. I just wonder where it is. So if I do find number 12, that's what I'll go for the one that I can't find. Well, actually, it seems like a lot of them I can't find. Zoe noticed this as well, and I'm like, you know what? If this is the kind of world we live in, I love this type of world that we live in, where the major debating point is, wait a minute, they changed the artist. That's not the same type of dwarf, and so on and so forth. And there's 2025 having a birthday party for themselves. And there we go. And now I'm going off to 2026. I'll be picking that t-shirt up as well. But let's go and roll for this little puppy. Where's the giant D12 that I have? Look at the size of this beast. It's a pretty big honker. And so here we go. And that's in reverse order what we see. So, and I'll bring her down. Okay, so maybe oh, it's a 10. I don't know if you're going to see that. I'll slide it on over. I haven't moved the bloody thing, look. It's not like I'm doing the jackpot, for Christ's sakes. There we go, 10. So it's number 10, I don't have to go down very much. It's actually just I'm going to be wearing the red one? Wacky. So that's it. I'll be wearing, oh no. I feel kind of like I shouldn't be wearing the red one because the volunteers have it like an orange. Well, it's true, they do the orange one. I don't know what the hell I was thinking of. But anyways, I guess I'll be wearing the 2024 CanGames one. The red one, and we'll see if I'll clean it up a little bit, and off we go. All right, Yes, off to CanGames tomorrow, running pocket battles, and then going to go nuts for a couple of days, and then I run the SPI World War I game on Sunday afternoon. Oh, brother, that's going to be so cool. Hopefully someone, well, 2 people I got it set up for. Hopefully 2 people will do it. All right. Yep, that's it. See you later. Bye.